Welcome to this introductory course on mobile learning with Multimedia. We are excited to have you on board and look forward to your participation in this learning community. My name is Melissa Alela and I am a multimedia content developer. I will be your instructor for this course. Many teachers and learners have been affected by the current school closures as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. They may also live in settings in which they are unlikely to have access to home computer, reliable electricity, or even the internet. In such cases, teachers and other educators need innovative ways that can support out-of-school learning. This introductory course aims to strengthen teacher capacity in using technology tools that are readily available to author audio-based learning materials. As such, the course aims to impart practical skills in developing curriculum-relevant audio-based educational materials like podcasts as open educational resources that are broadcast-ready, especially for low internet resource settings. In this regard, this course is mobile first, and many of the practical examples and learning activities can be completed on any smartphone. This course targets primary and secondary school teachers and will be implemented over a 4-week duration, with participants committing up to 4 hours per week to complete the learning activities. You will learn from readings, videos, mini tutorials, discussions on the forums, and self-practice exercises. Each week will focus on a very specific theme. The first week addresses teaching and learning with multimedia resources. This will include the multimedia landscape as it relates to teaching and learning, the pedagogical differences of media, the affordances of mobile technology, and lastly, planning for production of an audio lesson based on a course that you are teaching. The second week covers developing audio-based learning materials like podcasts and radio lessons for mobile access. By the end of this week, you will be able to record a sample audio lesson. As such, you will learn about podcasts, identify different types of educational podcasts, identify different ways of using audio lessons and podcast education, and lastly, record audio from a script for a podcast episode. The third week is very practical and covers editing audio-based learning materials for mobile access. Here, you will acquire requisite skills to edit a sample audio lesson. You will upload the edited audio lessons to an online podcast portal and create engagement for that podcast using RSS subscriptions. The last week, which we have themed Beyond the Basics, addresses additional topics related to using audio resources in education. This includes creating accessible audio resources, transforming audio-only resources into audio-visual resources, and using interactive voice response systems, IVRs, for low internet resource areas. Finally, although not a mandatory requirement of this course, you should have access to at least a smartphone or a tablet or a laptop that will allow you to record and edit audio files. Some tools and software applications will be recommended for installation in order to carry out the activities in this course. You need no prior experience with any of these apps or software. We hope that you find this course informative and look forward to your participation over the next 4 weeks. Thank you.